another one. Just came out for a night cruise. It's been raining all day. Man, every day's been rain, man. It's been kind of annoying, but you know, it is what it is. So didn't want to go far. Didn't know if it was gonna rain again, but I wanted to you know, see how the coil feels, if I do feel any difference or not. And then I want to just see if how it looks at night with the gauge on the GoPro. Just passed by a cop. I guess my light is cool. It's got a little blue tint, but it really doesn't show blue. Thing feels good though. To get a quick ride in. How's everybody's week going so far? Hope everybody's doing good. Can't wait for my full exhaust to come from the bike, honestly. Kind of excited for that. Glad I finally got this going on. Let me turn on my high beams. So yeah, took me a little time to figure that out, but I finally did, and it all worked out. But I'm glad. I like this gauge though. But yeah, this bike has come a long way. So yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna actually change the rear shock. I just got my refund out in exchange for another one, so we'll see how it goes. I think for now I'm pretty much done with this bike. Oh no, one more thing I do have to do is the levers. So I did find a link to the actual gold levers for it. So I'm just gonna get a set of those, and then I think I'll be done with this bike for a while. As far as modifying, I'm still gonna ride it. I did turn the screw another 1/4 inch out, Rich. I saw my temperature getting a little too high, so, and I checked my spark plug. It looked like it'd be a little richer, so did that. Yeah, I'm always doing something, man. Gotta keep yourself busy. That's how it goes. But I really do like how this vapor gauge looks at night. Like the shift light, it's pretty nice. But like I said, my speedometer is accurate. You didn't catch that bit out when I tested it out. But yeah, man, I was just at home chilling, doing some finishing touches on the bike. I had to center the gauge a little bit more, but you know, I got it kind of how I wanted it to. do like how this bike sounds too. It never really comes through the camera like how I wanted to, but that's how it goes. But yeah, it feels good that I can always get in front of traffic, especially with this bike. But I guess because I'm at night, temperature is not getting as high as it was in the daytime. It was a hot day too. Say that again? It's a Supermoto, street legal dirt bike. It's a Supermoto. Yeah. Thank you. I always get people asking me about this bike. They always want to know what it is. And when I say Supermoto, they're like, what? Okay, it's beautiful. I'm like, thank you. That's all that matters. But yeah, I probably get just as much looks on this bike as I do my Honda. Oh, water. No street lights back here, but yeah, so I'm just enjoying the ride. Didn't really come out with a really thought in my mind. You know, sometimes you just have to come clear your mind. Like you guys that know me, you know I come and do most of the time when I come out here. Guys, I appreciate everybody who does watch all the builds that I do and all the mods that I add on these bikes that I own. And you know, it's gonna be, who knows what my next bike is gonna be and what I'm gonna do to it, right? But I am anticipating it for sure. Shout out to all my subscribers who comment and like all the time. Appreciate you, I really do. Man, sprinklers, jeez. I know I'm gonna have to clean off the bike when I get home. I did widen the bars a little bit, slightly, maybe like a 1/4 inch on each side to equal about a full 1/2 inch. I just had it in a little too tight. Oh, but man, it's definitely a fun bike to ride. I definitely enjoy this. I'm glad I got this over the Grom clone that I was gonna get. I was I was so set on getting a Grom clone, but something told me that I need something a little bit more than a 125. Since I already had a scooter that was 150, I'm like, I don't need to get anything smaller than that. So let me just get something, another 250. But I just wanted a different type of ride, you know. So yeah, I'm just really digging this gauge, digging how it looks better than the other gauge. I mean, the other gauge was a little bit more colorful. This one is more black and white, kind of matches with the bike, and you know, gives it a good unique look, different from other ones like it. But yeah, guys, appreciate you. I'll be back with another one. Yeah, peace.